YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Toshi, but before we get into that, guys, I got to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. At the end of the day, you got to go speak to a financial advisor. But let's talk about the market today. As you guys could see, total market cap coming in at $3.18 trillion. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 35. And Bitcoin coming in at a 97. Coming roaring back, right? Possibly. Told you guys, the fight is not over yet. It's been an absolute war. Past couple of days, guys, been an absolute war. Bitcoin looking like possibly seeing another double bottom here and testing some upper levels. Hopefully Bitcoin can start seeing some positivity, guys. I was telling you guys that on this all-time chart we do still have this bull flag playing out, right? We could see the flagpole playing here, and then it bounces up, it creates another flagpole with a flag, and it cuts up again, and it's kind of doing a similar thing. And a lot of people have been saying it's the top of the market. Now we could have a possible blow off top here on the monthly, as you guys could see. Also the year two looking like we need to still see a turnaround. Could be a possible bear flag, right? We had created this shoulder head shoulder, creates a bear flag, drop down, create another bear flag, right? But again, on that all-time chart showing still bullish, so they're still fighting it out, man. I told you guys, if we could hold above that 96k, and it looks like hopefully trying to start seeing some kind of positive price action happen right now. And let's see what this is doing to the market, guys, because again, our Fear Greed Index just yesterday was coming in at 35. Today coming in still at 35. But you could see some positive life coming back into the market. Even coins like Litecoin and stuff like that. Litecoin up 12%. A lot of the market's starting to see a little bit of green today, right? Let's look at the total market cap as well. Making a very similar pattern to Bitcoin. Hopefully, possibly breaking out of this wedge, right? We could possibly be breaking out of a wedge. But again, we are creating lower highs right now. So we do need to still start breaking out of some of this resistance so that it does start looking like more of a positive price rally, right? Again, we could still be creating a bear flag just like we did right here, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder, bear flag. Could be another bear flag. We could be, again, going to be seeing another leg down, or we could start seeing a turnaround again, like on this. Well, this doesn't look as good either, right? It looks like we got a shoulder, head, shoulder headed on this total market cap. But again, if Bitcoin can stay strong, then these altcoins will have a good chance of rallying. You can see we consolidated here very similarly before we shot up, so maybe it'll be a little less of a consolidation and a possible run up. This thing should start looking a little more up if Bitcoin can start turning up. But again, guys, Bitcoin's still sitting in limbo. We're also going to talk about Toshi Coin, guys, because that's why you guys are here. I know you guys love you some Toshi. We want to see how Toshi is responding to the Bitcoin corrections. Yeah, as you can see, it was dropping down a little bit lower today, and then it started to see a little bit of a rally right now, coming in the top 10 again, guys, all day, every day. Top 10 tech screener. I'm telling you, man. Toshi Coin trends more than any other coin, I feel like, for sure, hands down. Within the past month, this has to be one of the most traded coins, whether people are long on it, whether people are short on it. It has a lot of trade volume. It's absolutely insane. That's why I've been saying I feel like Toshi Coin is going to get listed on a lot more exchanges, because again, these exchanges look for trade volume. They get paid off of every time there's a transaction. You guys could see how many transactions happen on the blockchain because we monitor them right here over on Dextools. So again, if you guys are not using Dextools, I don't know what you're doing. But again, this possible double bottom here and here also, right? So we're trending up back into these Kettner channels on this 15-minute chart, looking pretty solid. Again, Toshi Coin rising up through these through the ranks of Dextools right now. Can it hold price its price volume though? That's the question, right? 30-minute looking still pretty solid. 1 hour also hopefully looking like we're finding some kind of bottom here. You guys could see we did already have a run up in the past. We rejected off of this level of resistance back here. And since then, it's just kind of been, zones of what I think is possible accumulation. Again, it's not financial advice, but just the way that Bitcoin, even their stock to flow looks. And I've been telling you guys even about Bitcoin stock to flow. those long-term indicators, a lot of things have just been pointing to the fact that maybe the market is not topped out. It's a possibility that the market's not topped out. But again, anything's possible, guys. I mean, there's supposed to be some news of tariffs today, so we'll see if that has a negative effect on the market. We'll see if there's other news, right? Even though there's a lot of bearish things going on, there's a lot of things that I think are like really FUD, to be honest with you. There's also a lot of bullish things going on too that can really drive the price of Bitcoin through the roof, like a United States Federal Reserve Fund for with Bitcoin. That would be absolutely insane. You got a lot of countries, even like El Salvador right here, talking about buying the dip. You know what I mean? So again, I'm long on cryptocurrency. I'm bullish on it. There's more countries that are getting on board with crypto than ever before. I feel good about the market. I think that at a $3.1 trillion market cap, the market's going to be volatile. It's going to go up and down all the time. It's going to have corrections. I've seen so many Bitcoin corrections, guys. I've covered them on this channel since Bitcoin was at $3,000 for you guys every day, like every day. So again, same thing. Ethereum was like $300. Solana was like $12, $6, maybe even when we were covering it on the channel. So it's nothing changed, guys. These charts go up and down. These market caps go up and down. It's been actually pretty crazy seeing Bitcoin even hitting 2 trillion, watching Bitcoin hit 100K. There's been a lot of milestones on Bitcoin. So again, if Bitcoin does need to see a correction, I'm long in it, man. I'm not emotional about it. I know I feel confident in the projects that I have in my portfolio right now. So I'm not buying crazy stuff like Butt Cheek token and Poo Poo Pee token and stuff like that. I just kind of been buying things that I feel like retail is going to want to pick up, because again, retail is going to be jumping in here. They're going to be eating in a lot of money. I feel like they're going to be eating in a lot of money. When they're going to start doing that, I don't know. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon, so that we could start rebounding. But again, I'm still bullish on Toshi. A lot of people asking me about Toshi. Toshi coming in at big number 6 right now. Can we start seeing a rally, boys? I want to know. Also, if this video can get to 200 likes, guys, I'm going to go live. I've been going live, guys. I did 2 lives in the past couple of days. I went live 2 times. So if you guys want me to cover this stuff live, watch it with you guys, we can do that together. Remember, guys, the stuff that you see in the video, again, it's not financial advice. It's just my opinion. So again, go out there, do your research. Also, if you haven't yet tapped into our free Telegram, guys, you can do that just by DMing me on Instagram. You got to add me over there and DM me and let me know that you added me, because otherwise I'm not going to know, and that you want to invite to the Telegram. I'm going to invite you to the Telegram, and then we could be friends on Instagram too. I only have like 500 people on my Instagram. I'm really trying to grow it over there, so it'll be helping the brother out. And then also, if you don't have Instagram, you could add me on TikTok also at GTalksCrypto, because I got to get to 1,000 on that too, so that we can go live. I'm trying to live stream on both platforms. So if you guys have TikTok also, it'll be helping me out. And then also, if you want to join the Patreon, homie, if you're trying to take it to the next level, you know what I'm saying? That's where the sauce is at, in the Patreon. Definitely check that out. You got the private Telegram as well as for being a member of the Patreon. And you just got a bunch of tips and tricks if you're experienced in crypto. And then if you're brand new to crypto, I got tutorials and everything for you guys too. If you're just getting started in your journey and you're looking how to trade these meme coins, if you're interested in stuff like how to use things like Dex Screener to find that next 10x, 100x, 1000x meme coin, or at least how I've done it in the past. Again, guys, tap into that Patreon, because be showing y'all, be dissecting these projects, showing you guys scams, all kinds of stuff, guys. We do it right here on YouTube, but we do it the best on Patreon, guys. We do it the best on Patreon. So appreciate all you guys. Again, let me know also what your price predictions are on Toshi Coin. Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know how much Toshi Coin you're holding. And yeah, that's it. Catch you guys next video. Peace.